Hello family, you are welcome to MWH Cooking Chat. Let's make chicken wrap with our Akara or koose mixture. Please stay with us to the end. Mima wakwaba shonko by channel is so. And then first time I'm sure subscribe, comment, like, share and be part of us. And then we say you use koose or Akara mixture. Now there is something different. Now you share the outcome into your beans, pepper, ginger, onion, and I are blending. And we will just add 3 eggs to it. Then you mix all together and you set it aside. Now you den cry. Yate chicken wrap a lot of times channel YouTube so and then let's make it our own way. Any kwan befa so you see a local dish ni bi so to make it and see. Into we so chicken breast and my channel and nkete sa and we homemade natural spice and salt. Oh massage na kakra bi say then they said that one to aside. Into we vegetables Ibitcha we cauliflower, carrot, onion, and green pepper. After that, near make sauce kakre, be chopped onions, pepper, garlic, ginger. Then we blend it that one together, and we set it aside. After near baby sauce kakre bia, the best Akara and koose when it's ready. In about 10 ml of oil, you saute the chicken breast for 1 minute and then you add your blended vegetables, turmeric, nutmeg, any spice at all that you have, and the chopped vegetables too. If you have say no bit me a cache, say salt and channel and say it's or the baby can to be num. I'm not fry pa say ubinya a uniform mixture. So we eno so afei na yebekọ yakara mixture no so. Nti we butter na me de ato heated frying pan mu amanana ne ayimu no kama. Nti koose anase akara mixture no the beans ayen. We take a crab to saucepan ni mu a because of egg in it no. Money stuck together more and a lighter because we know we didn't choose to kakra egum any say we do pee or say a muya sebeya ubinya flat we say no there would the way of failing or the or failing because a ruling until we shall first one and a mayeno because say vegetables and any chicken no we say no you can say cheese and cajon into no ain't me and my name stuck together even after baking it into me the sticks bamboo sticks maybe and na chinchinga ban na me de bi hihye and no sebeya free and brabantine. That is all into minya 3. After 10 minutes in the oven, this was the outcome. Come on, papa. If you have any home, now I have something different. So, intimido for be Emma Bushia phone. Efe pa. Into we no to me cry ya kwa jumu. Edi akwacha friends. When you drink biaka hua. Our usual koose no has turned into something different. We a high protein dish. Even if you want to lose weight, with fresh juice, no, you can use it. It does a pass or share me. So when you video, you want subscribe, comment, like, share for all your loved ones. See you in our next video. Bye.